the aching.
Madam, your mother calls.
Will you now deny to dance?
A man, young lady, such a man.
My heart loved till now, forswear its sight, for I never saw true beauty till this night. I profane with my unworthiest hand this holy shrine. The gentle sin is this. My lips, two blushing pilgrims ready stand to smooth that rough touch with a tender kiss.
Good pilgrim, you do wrong your hand too much. Which mannerly devotion shows in this? For saints have hands that pilgrims' hands do touch, and palm to palm is holy palmer's kiss.
Have not saints lips, and holy palmers too?
Aye, pilgrim, lips that they must use in prayer.
Well then, dear saint, let lips do what hands do. They pray, grant thou, lest faith turn to despair.
Saints do not move, though grant for prayer's sake.
Then move not while my prayer's effect I take.
Oh! Dave!
Thus from my lips by thine my sin is purged.
And have my lips the sin that they have took?
Sin from my lips? O trespass sweetly urged, give me my sin again.
You kiss by the book. Juliet! Oh! Juliet! Juliet!
Your mother craves a word with you. Come, let's away.